Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Inception filters on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add a video that you want to edit, in here you just click on the filters at the bottom. And after this, in here you just click on the movies. And at the movies, in here you can see Inception effect. Inception filter, and now in here you can setting the Inception filter at the bottom. You just swipe left or right this icon, and after this in here you just click on the check icon at the bottom. And now you can setting the Inception filters to all a video. Just swipe this icon like this and finish. So that how to add Inception filters on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.